Now that we've made our first commit, let's see how we can view the commit history. To do that, we can use the git log command. So let me type that in. This gives us a log of every commit that's been made in this repository. Right now we only have one. As you can see, here's the message, added pythonscript.py. And here is the date and the time that we made that commit. And this is the commit hash. So just to break this down so it's clearer to understand, at the top, we have the commit hash. This is a string of letters and numbers. It's a unique identifier for this specific commit. Every single commit will get its own unique hash, so Git can tell them apart. We then have the name of the author who made the commit. This is the name and the email that we configured earlier in the Git config. Then we have the date and the time. And finally, we have the commit message. This is why good commit messages matter. When you come back to this log weeks or months later, these messages are how you'll understand what each change was about. So right now, this is quite nice and short, but on a real project with hundreds of commits, you might not want to see all of this detail. So you can instead type git log and then do a double hyphen and then type one line. So as you can see, this is now more compact. So instead of the full git hash, you just get the first 7 digits and then you get the commit message. So this is nice and compact. So that's the git log. It's a really useful command for understanding what's happened in your repository.